My name is Heidi Bradbury, and we are at West Wind Stables in Morrison, Colorado. My husband and I took a drive in the mountains one day, and we had been looking at horse properties around the Golden area, and we started to kick around the idea that, well, you know, we could probably own a horse boarding facility. We stumbled upon this property and just fell in love. And we knew that this was a place where we could spend the rest of our lives. The first few months we were without a tractor, a skid steer, anything. And we sure felt it. I was so excited by the time we got the machine. I mean, at one point I was almost in tears because everything was done by hand. I started to research and I walked into the Bobcat office in Golden, and that's when I met Rodney. He helped me find a great machine that was sturdy and compact and something that I would feel confident driving. I jumped in and it was almost second nature. There was about 2 weeks I didn't tell my husband the code. I kept it from him. He was really impressed when he saw me using it because he thought, wow, how did you get so good so fast? It's an easy piece of equipment to use, and it's fun. And when something's fun, it's motivating. The service people at Bobcat are phenomenal. They'll help you out. If something goes wrong, I need to fix it right away. I've had the service guys talk me through some simple maintenance things. It's essential to have that trust. Without that trust, I would never have bought the equipment. If you look around, a horse stall is not that big, maybe 10 by 12 feet. But if I need to get into a stall, I have to be able to maneuver it, and a tractor will not do that. We have some structures that are not movable, so it's essential to have a small piece of equipment that I can maneuver around. I can start the machine, and a horse could be tied up at a hitching post, and there's really no reaction. They get used to that sound. And in fact, when I was building that trail next to the stalls, I was digging up fresh grass, and I lifted the bucket up, and the horses just ate the fresh grass from it. I call that snacks on tracks. Meals on wheels, snacks on tracks. Owning this stables has been a non-stop experience. I'm excited to do what I love, be around animals, working on the land. When you're excited about life and where it's taking you, it's really, there's so much potential, it's limitless. We're just getting started here on this new journey. This is just the beginning.